Guys, I'm back. I just I just had to spend a night over my other grandma's house cuz I just wanted to. And don't worry guys, I'm back and I can do more tutorials. So, here we are with Mighty. I really thought you guys were going to choose Cold Steel cuz he is the the Sonic like a hedgehog, but okay, Mighty it is. I mean, I don't get why I just went to my grandma, I'm not my other grandma's house. But but I don't know. Here we go. Camera, focus. Okay. 82, 8206. Yeah, it's 6 for the black stuff. If you can, no. I am not just gonna do that. No. You think I'm not stupid? I can find that easily, somewhere. It's somewhere. See, easy. So, it is 6131 for the red, his head. Head AC 73 for whatever, I don't know. Oh shoot, no, stop. Eyes set 97. Let me just fix his stomach. And done. Oh yeah, and 24 for sleeves, arms, pants 16 for his legs, and it's the same thing as Sonic. 121 for socks. And 80 and shoes 83 for his shoes. Cape 72 for the back. I don't even know. Oh yeah, and this I kinda forgot, but I can try look for it. It's somewhere. Wait, hold on. Okay, I am messing it up. No, those are too small. Plus it can't, plus his ears is like big. Oh, shut up, Mighty. I didn't mean to say ears. I mean whatever this thing is that I'm looking for. My grammar is just dumb. That's all. You know what? Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. I'ma just pick a random one so we can get this over with. I'm not, cause I'm not gonna waste my whole day looking for whatever it is, so I'ma just move it so it's like bigger. $2,709 for his whatever it is. Anyways, just copy it. Just copy it. Just copy it. Oh yeah, and for stomach and gloves, and for gloves and stomach, it's $5,962 for stomach and gloves. Gloves for his gloves, and that's it. And for nose, it's just 21. Glasses, it's on glasses, and it's 21. And for his smirk, it's and for his smirk, it's on 252 for his mouth, and that's it. Pimples, 99. Wait, no. Pimples, 999, and that's it.